I don't even have to be right. It's whether or not you guys can afford to be wrong. Because even though I've developed a very strong view and have a very detailed knowledge of this, if you weight what I might weight at 90% or 99% at 1%, the answer is the same to be exposed to Bitcoin, just at a different threshold. You have to evaluate the key risks. I talked about the risk of quantum. I honestly think that is a distraction. It's not to say that it's not a risk. It's just that the fiat system is destabilizing today. And we're talking about theoretical little quantum leaps, like non-linear, like not things that are even imaginable to do physically or computationally, that would have to advance all at the same time that the fiat structure is fracturing. The more realistic ones would be a Executive Order 6102 type ban when the government banned gold in 1933. What I would say to that is that Bitcoin is a perfected form of money, and it's infinitely harder to stop or harder to own than gold. And like the state of Texas has found, they're going to need Bitcoin too. Every government's going to need Bitcoin. The less clear ones, I would say, are censorship. This is the one that I look to. It's, if it were possible to censor a single Bitcoin transaction, that would be a sign that Bitcoin is not sufficiently decentralized to credibly enforce its fixed supply. But also there is fiat destabilization. Bitcoin is predicated on nodes being up and energy being consumed. And the framework that I've developed is that the money itself, the Bitcoin, is what will help the power resources stay up and the energy system stay viable. But that is a risk that, if fiat hyperinflates, is there power to power the Bitcoin mines? But it's really, in my view, the fact that money exists, and the sound money, that will allow those turbines to continue to spin. This is how I see us getting to a Bitcoin standard. Again, I see this in 8 to 10 years. And so if the risk of quantum computing to everything, not just Bitcoin, is 2040 and beyond, even though I think that's overstated, there's going to be at least 10 trillion in QE in my mind.